good?
Yeah, I'm looking for my mama, bro. I can't see her. Bro, where is my mama, though? Bro, where's my mama? I've been looking for my mama this whole game. Where is my mama, bro? Oh, no, that ain't her. I found my mama. Found her.
Oh, yeah. This is almost like Prison Mike.
I'm Prison Mike.
People would say, why is he so famous? He just talks to magpies. Can you? Can you?
That is.
Oh. Tell me you're a girl dad without telling me you're a girl dad. I'll go first.
What's a video that lives in your head rent-free?
Each nuance of my murder of each one of you might be.
The statistics show that dream-inspired violence is on the rise.
My dreams got so violent, I stopped sleeping months ago.
When was the last time you actually slept, Nancy?
Get those motherfucking spiders off of me.
Okay, I bet you $20. I can drink this water without moving the towel.
What do you mean without moving the towel?
I'm gonna drink this water without moving the towel. Don't laugh,
I don't get it.
Okay, I'm done.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Yeah, I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah, I'm done the water.
Okay. What?
Yeah, check.
I'm back on my drip. Drip, my drip, my drip. Right back.
My dog is very mad at us for clipping his toenails, but they were too long, so we had no choice.
Don't you know?
Honey.
I wanna fuck you hard on the sink. After that, give you something to drink.
What is your favorite celebrity interview moment?
Saba, raka, tiki, taka, tiki. ¿Quién no sabe qué significa? Nadie sabe qué significa. ¿Tú sabes? ¿Alguien sabe qué significa? ¿No sabes qué significa ese tío? ¿No? Saba, raka, tiki, taka, tiki. Pues ese día estaba bien contento y lo único que tenía en mi mente era kulikita kati, kulikita kata, kulikita kati, kulikita kata, sabarakatiki takatiki, sabarakatiki takata, sabarakatiki takatiki, sabarakatiki takata. Hey.
Remember when I thought autism could be cured?
Why is my hair?
Just couldn't come. He has Asperger's, like autism, so it wouldn't have been very good for him to come.
Oh, for real? Alright, well, I mean, hopefully you get well soon and...
Live life, breathe air. I know somehow we're gonna get there and feel so wonderful. Sing it, Riley!
He almost caught me, bruh.
I am the Hulk! I am Abomination!
Oh, I'm the Hulk! I'm so sad! I don't know how to defend myself!
Okay, you just have to listen to how fucking loud this door is. Look. You just have to listen to it. Unbelievable.
Yeah! Hey, I was invisible! Cool!
I don't feel so good.
Yeah! Very cute. Now you're very cute. Look at me! Relax. What are they? They're actually fight. I don't know if they're fighting. I don't know what they're doing, but relax. Pigeons. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? What are they doing? Fam. Fam. Ooh, no.
Hello, and this is my impression of Owen Wilson going into the kitchen at 3 a.m. to get a midnight snack, except he stubs his toe. Ow.
Captain America, the first Avenger. Red Skull refers to Yggdrasil, the world tree, guardian of wisdom and faith. Are we to believe, sir, that you are a descendant of that tree? I am Groot. Okay, thank you very much.
Dad, what business did you just invest into?
Magic grow rooms. Make anything grow.
Oh yeah, like what?
Shit, I don't know.
What is your favorite celebrity interview moment?
I can't believe no one's done this yet. Mine is when Andy Samberg brought his new baby girl onto Conan.
That was,
Go.
But the longer I stared at this picture, it was at the bottom of our bed, I began to see that this, to me, was no longer a picture of a stream running through a forest. It was instead a picture of an enormous blue gorilla running in front of a forest. You see, here are the eyes of the gorilla, and there's the nostrils of the gorilla, and there's the mouth of the gorilla, and there's the ear of the gorilla, and here's the head of the gorilla.
What's a video that lives in your head rent free?
Somebody sent me something on my phone and said that I hog-tied her. I don't know how to hog-tie people. What would I hog-tie?
Ooh, Popeye's biscuits.
Russell Nunez. You wanted to go get ice cream? Yes. Stay awake.
Ma.
Yes.
I'm Papa.
I know. Russell.
What? Oh, what?
You gotta stay awake. No. We drove all the way to Chick-fil-A to get ice cream.
No.
Stay awake.
No.
Okay.
No. No.
Yes.
There's only ever two types of people in this world. Those who load a dishwasher like they're playing some elite fucking game of Tetris, and those who look like they just threw a whole bunch of shit in, hope that it gets clean, and they marry each other.
Steven, what are you doing in there?
Drugs.
Jesus fucking Christ!
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them, but nothing seems to stay the same. Woke up in the morning, doing my hair, makeup, getting my clothes on.
Mommy? Sweetie, are you okay?
I can't sleep.
You're right there, darling. How's your mum? Good, good. Right, if you want to lift your plate up so I can spray this mess, it's filthy. Don't worry, right, alright? Yeah. Oh, sorry, love. What's your eyes? Okay, there's bleach in that. You're like, right. Yeah. Filthy, isn't it? Animals. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, don't know what's got into me today. Much better. Alright.
Don't worry. It's my life. It's better than I couldn't miss the pain.
Now look at this.
What's your favorite cat video?
In a row, we're gonna buy her a bunny. All right, let's go, Lily.
Okay.
3 in a row.
Oh.
Okay, well, as soon as you start your first one. 3 in a row, you get a bunny. Go.
Are you lying?
Go. 3 in a row.
1.
Okay, let's go. It's gotta be in a row, though. Oh, there's 2. That means if you get this one, you get a bunny. Go, 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 go.
Now look at this.
Aw, that's cute. Are they married or?
Go Rick, I want to move just like that. It goes in the head like that. It goes in, we roll like that. We do like that. We roll like that.
This guy's having a not good
Oh,
day.
there
Oh,
goes
they
the horse.
just fell off.
Holy fuck, we're
No
gonna
way.
grab the horse.
Fucking right.
Yes. Okay, get in.
Literally cracking up. Amelia was just doing that, and I spoke to her on the monitor, and she pretended she was asleep. Amelia, no.